हेलो एवरीवन। एवरी संडे लीगल डिक्टेशन का टेस्ट होगा 12 बजे। जो भी स्टूडेंट्स लीगल डिक्टेशन की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं किसी भी कोर्ट की, वो अपना स्किल टेस्ट जरूर दें। आप इस डिक्टेशन को लिखें और टाइप करके सेंड करें। इवनिंग 6 o'clock तक सेम डे कंपेयर करके आपको फाइल सेंड कर दी जाएगी। और कोई भी स्टूडेंट फोटो क्लिक करके सेंड ना करें, सिर्फ डॉक्यूमेंट फाइल सेंड करें। ऑल द बेस्ट। स्टार्ट। इन केस ऑफ ब्रैकेट सुपरा, learned single judge of this court was concerned with similar fact situation. Stop. Two bills were raised on the consumer demanding additional amounts because multiplying factor was wrongly charged. Stop. It was urged by the consumer on the basis of subsection bracket 6 of section 26 that the electrical inspector could determine the quantum of electricity consumed during the statutory period of 6 months and for the period anterior to it, the reading registered in the disputed meter will have to be presumed to be correct. Stop. Relying on the judgment of this court in Bharat Barrel, learned single judge held that the restriction as to 6 months period provided in section 26 has no application to a demand made by the licensee or the electricity board for the unpaid amount for the electricity consumed if the consumer was underbilled due to electrical mistakes or human error or such like mistakes. Stop. The principle which can be deduced from the above judgments is that in case the consumer is underbilled on account of clerical mistake, such as the present case, where the multiplication factor had changed from 500 to 1000, but due to oversight, the department issued bills with 500 as multiplication factor instead of 1000. The bar of limitation cannot be raised by the consumer. Stop. Though Section 26 of the Indian Electricity Act 1910 with Section 56 of the Electricity Act 2003, in our opinion, the present case would be governed by the above principle and hence the challenge raised by the petitioners must fail. Stop. The question raised in this petition can be examined from yet another angle, keeping section 56 of the Electricity Act 2003, with which we are concerned here, in the forefront. Stop. In Deepak Sharma's case, tariff was changed from GP1 to GP2. Stop. Between 19 January 2000 and 27 May 2000, the readings of the electronic meter were not taken. Stop. A supplementary bill was raised by the petitioner corporation therein on the basis of the average monthly consumption. Stop. By the supplementary bill, a demand of rupees 57,000 was raised on the consumer and debited to the amount of the bill for the month of April 2004. Stop. The consumer raised a grievance before the Consumer Grievance Redressal Forum. Stop. The matter ultimately reached the Ombudsman. Stop. He held that the supplementary bill was raised after a period of 4 years from the date when it became first due, and hence the amount was not recoverable under Section 56 of the Electricity Act 2003. Stop.